Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely student of class 1. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 1, and in this video I am going to start a new chapter number 10, patterns. Students, you all know about the patterns. Let's take the solutions and let's understand the meaning of the pattern. Okay students? So students, patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? पैटर्न कब क्रिएट होती है स्टूडेंट्स? पैटर्न तब क्रिएट होती है जब कुछ फिगर्स, दैट मीन्स नंबर्स, शेप्स और ऑब्जेक्ट्स वगैरह एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में अरेंज किए जाते हैं और या तो रिपीट होते हैं अगेन एंड अगेन, तो एक पैटर्न क्रिएट होती है. हियर इन दिस चैप्टर नंबर 10, पैटर्न्स, वी सी मैनी पैटर्न्स. You already see many patterns around you, right students? You can find the patterns in different objects around you, right students? So let's take the solution for our chapter. So open Mathematics NCERT textbook. So students, let's start our new chapter number 10, patterns, right students? So let's open your Mathematics NCERT textbook and open page number 111. Okay students, open first. Now here the first question is extend the sequence. Extend, that means हमें आगे बढ़ाना है. You have to draw more shapes, more objects, right? More pictures to continue the given pattern. And sequence means same series को आगे बढ़ाना, right students? So let's start the solution. Here you can see in the first question, first picture is capital T, right students? In the next you can see an inverted T, you can see उल्टा T दिख रहा है आपको. Again first one alphabet T is repeated, then inverted T, that means ulta T. Now we have to continue the next one. So what we have to write here? Capital T, right? Then inverted T. Use only scale when you are complete this exercise. You have to draw only with scale and pencil, okay? Again T, then inverted T, right students? You have to complete the given pattern like this. Now here you can see two standing lines are given. Then second one is circle. Again two standing lines, then circle, again two standing lines. Now what should be there? One circle, then two standing lines, then circle, right students? Now two standing lines. Students, do you understand what you have to do here? You have to draw some lines, that means some straight lines, some curved lines you have to draw here and continue the patterns, okay students? So let's take the next question. Here first one is, you can see up arrow with small slipping line, then down arrow with again small slipping line, then again first one is repeated, second one is repeated. Now let's draw the next one. So we have to draw here first up arrow with a small slipping line. Now next is one down arrow with small slipping line. Now again we have to draw an up arrow, okay? Then again you have to draw down arrow with small slipping line, right students? Now next question, you can see capital V is given. Yes, then inverted T, ulta T है, sorry, capital V is here. Now ulta V है यहाँ पर. Again first one alphabet capital V, repeat. Again second one inverted V, repeat. Yes, now what we have to do here? We have to continue the pattern. So we have to draw first capital V, then inverted V, again capital V, then inverted V, right students? So now let's take the next one. You can see here 2 circles, then 1 rectangle. Again 2 circles, 1 rectangle. It means there is 1 rectangle after 2 circle we have to draw. So after rectangle what we have to draw here? Yes, very good. 2 circle and then 1 rectangle. Right students? You have to use only scale and draw the shapes. Okay students? Now here some pictures of fruits are given. Here you can see mango, apple, mango, apple. Now what we have to draw here? First we have to draw a mango, then an apple we have to draw. Yes. Now again a mango we have to draw, then an apple we have to draw here. Right students? Like this you have to continue the pattern. Now last one is, you can see which letter is here? W, right? Capital W is given here, then inverted W. Now again alphabet W, that means first one is repeat, then second one is repeat. Now we have to draw again capital W, right students? Now inverted W I am going to draw here, again capital W, okay, then inverted W. Okay students, you have to complete the pattern like this. Okay, draw neat and clean using only scale. Don't draw with your hands. Right students? Now students, turn your page number 112. Students, open. And the next question is, what comes next in the sequence? Sequence में next क्या picture आएगा, pattern आएगी. So we can continue the pattern. That means how can you continue this pattern? कैसे हमें ये pattern को continue करना है? Let's see here a circle, but here it is a sun, but without rays. In the second picture you can see a sun with rays. That means sunrise हो रहा है यहाँ पर, right? Here in the first picture sunset, right? ऐसा सोच के चलो, हम assume करके चलते, sunset, sunrise, sunset, sunrise. Now sun without rays, that means sunset. Now sun with rays, that means sunrise. Okay students, you have to draw lines like this, that means rays of the suns. Okay students, now again we have to draw a sun without rays. Now here you can see a bowl type shape is given, almost bowl जैसा है, right? Here inverted, उल्टा bowl रख दिया है, here सीधा bowl, right? Upside bowl, then again inverted, then again upside. Now we have to draw again inverted bowl. So you have to draw a slipping line and then put a line, curved line like this. Now again we have to draw a line and draw a circle like this, upside bowl. Now again downside. Right students? Now let's see the next one. Here you can see a drop of water, then a candy, lollipop जैसा दिख रहा है कुछ. Yes, otherwise you can say that an oval and a standing line. Okay, again first one drop is repeat here. Now standing line and oval, otherwise you can say a candy. Okay, so what should we have to draw here? First we have to make a drop of water. Okay, now candy, otherwise oval and a standing line. Again drop of a water. Okay students, now let's see the next one. Here you can see a flower, a leaf, a flower, again a leaf. So what we have to draw here after leaf? We have to draw a flower, right students? Like this you have to draw a flower. Then next is a leaf. Okay, now next is again we have to draw a flower in this given box. Okay students, Now let's take the next question. Here you can see some faces like दिस वन स्माइली इज कन्फ्यूज स्माइली, राइट? कन्फ्यूज होते हैं तब मुंह बनाते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसा मुंह बन रहा है यहाँ पर. हियर स्माइलिंग स्माइल, हंसने वाला फेस है. अगेन फर्स्ट वन इज रिपीट, देन सेकेंड. सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ हियर फर्स्ट वन कन्फ्यूज्ड वाली स्माइली, देन स्माइलिंग स्माइली, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ अगेन confused one smiley, so you have to draw like this, right students? Now let's take the next one. As you can see here, under circle there is one square. Now inverted under square there is a circle. यहाँ पर circle के अंदर square बना है, यहाँ पर square के अंदर circle बना है. Again first one is repeat, then second. Now we have to again draw a circle and then a small square inside it. Now again what we have to repeat? Second one. That means we have to draw a square and a small square inside it. Okay? अंदर हम एक छोटा सा सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. सॉरी, स्क्वायर के अंदर हम एक इनसाइड छोटा सा सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. नाउ अगेन first one we have to draw, that means this one. So draw a circle and draw a small square inside it. Okay students, now let's take the next one. Here you can see a glass type shape, glass जैसा कुछ दिख रहा है. Then a drop, again glass, drop. So now again we have to draw a glass, right? Then a drop, right student? Now again we have to draw a glass. Okay, here your page number 112 is complete, right students? So you have to draw with pencil and scale. Use scale when you are going to draw lines, squares, rectangles, etc. That means when you are drawing shapes you have to use the scales. Okay students? Now students, patterns in shape. हम देखेंगे अब शेप में पैटर्न कैसे फिलअप करनी है, कैसे होती है, कैसे कंटिन्यू करनी है, राइट? ऑलरेडी हम पेज नंबर 112 पर भी कितने शेप्स देख चुके हैं यूजिंग पैटर्न्स. ओके, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट, लेट्स सी मोर पैटर्न्स. ओके, फिल इन द बॉक्सेस इन सीक्वेंस. हमें ये बॉक्सेस को सीक्वेंस में कंप्लीट करना है, राइट? सो हियर यू कैन सी व्हाट, 2 leaves, right? 1 flower, then again 2 leaves. Now in this box we have to draw a flower, right? Because flower is missing here, so you have to draw a flower like this. Now again 2 leaves, 1 flower, right student? 1 flower, then now we have to draw what? 2 leaves, right students? So draw like this, 1 and 2. Okay students, now again there is a flower, right students? Now here you can see a circle, then triangle, now rectangle. Again first one, that means circle, triangle. Now what we have to draw? Rectangle, right students? Because the third shape is rectangle there. Okay, now again circle. Now what should be there? The second one, you can see second one is there, triangle. Okay, triangle is there, so we have to draw here triangle and fill in the box. Now you can see in the first box ₹1. How many coins you can see? 1 coin, then 2 coins, then 3 coins. Now how many we have to draw? 4 coins of ₹1 we have to draw here, right students? Now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 coins of ₹1. Now how many we have to draw? Again we have to draw 6. 5 है यहाँ पर, तो हम कितने ड्रॉ करेंगे? नाउ 6, right student? Here it is 4, 5 and 6. Okay students, now let's take the next one. Here you can see horizontal and vertical, that means standing candle and vertical sleeping candle. Yeah right student, horizontal और vertical नहीं समझ में आता, तो here it is standing candle, here sleeping candle. 1 1 है. In the next picture you can see how many candles standing and sleeping, 2 2. Now 3 standing, 3 sleeping. Now how many how many candles we have to draw, so we can continue the pattern. कितनी candles draw करेंगे तो ये pattern continue होगी. Yes, very good. We have to draw 4 standing and 4 sleeping candles, right students? So students, you have to draw the candles like this, 4 candles standing and 4 sleeping. Now 1 candle more, 5 candles standing and 5 candle sleeping. Okay students, draw with the scale and pencil. Okay, now let's take the next one. Here you can see a one leaf, एक पत्ता है यहाँ पर. Now 1 2 3 leaves, right? Now 2 more, यहाँ पर 1 से कितने हुए, 3, so कितने ज़्यादा है, 2 leaves more. Now here again 2 leaves more, so 1 2 3 4 5. So now how many leaves we have to draw? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You have to draw. You have to draw like this with using pencil. Okay. Now how many leaves in the last box? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Right students? Now here a shape of house is given. Yes. Now next picture, this line is removed. एक line गायब हो गई है, यहाँ पर हटा दी गई है. Now again in the third pictures, this line is removed. Now we have to remove the next line. I am going to remove this line. Okay students. So क्या बाकी बचेगा? This line and this line. So draw the lines like this. Here is the standing line and this one is the sleeping line. Okay, now I am going to remove this sleeping line. Okay, so which line is remaining? This standing line. Okay students.